Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech Group channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can check IMEI numbers of your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, go to call button. Go to call button. That is phone icon. And dial star hash 06 hash. And you will find IMEI numbers. First IMEI number is showing here, and then second IMEI number, then serial number. So you can check IMEI numbers and also serial number of your phone. Okay, just take note of it, and it will be useful when you lost your phone or when you get your phone damaged. Just for future reference, make note of this, and it will be very useful. Again, I show the code. Just dial star hash 06 hash, and IMEI numbers will be shown in your phone. In this way, you can easily check IMEI numbers and serial numbers of your phone Vivo V21e 4G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.